Hi guys, what's up? I'm going to play some miNE today for you guys. And yeah, I already got started a little bit, but I'll just show you guys my house. So this is my house so far. Yeah, I'm trying to, and let me move that for you. I'm trying to I got some gold. I'm trying to finish this house right now, guys. But I've just been playing this game, and oh, because we have some windows, yeah. And it's been really fun. I think I might start a series. It's gonna be really fun. I'm so excited. We could just build up some lava bucks. Yeah, it's gonna be really fun. So again, guys, I'm just gonna mine some wood, and yeah, it's gonna be. What's this? Oh yeah, I got some tools. Yeah. Oh. Like, I'm just getting some wood, that's how it be, oh shoot, that's how it be, yeah guys, so, I'm just gonna get some wood, maybe find a little bit of cave, let's see, I'm gonna get some, and I'm just gonna explore, yeah, so, if you guys want me to do more videos on miNE 3, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, post notifications on. I'm just getting some more wood, I'll be yeah guys, I'm really excited for this series, and yeah, I really hope you guys are excited too. So this is my character. I made it by myself, and yeah, his name is Ricardo32302. If you guys want to add me on here, maybe I'll do some game. Maybe I'll start a series with you guys. So yeah. I is that if you guys didn't know, and I have some wood, and I'm gonna swim for you guys. So yeah, guys, this is my new. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Shoot. Ah. Oh shoot. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, today we're just gonna try to build a house. So I'm just gonna get my wood, and I'm going first person again. Okay, and then I'm gonna build up here because it's like on top of mine. We living in the hills. Maybe I'll just get a little bit more wood. I'm just gonna get a little more materials for our house, and then I'm gonna start building. We're also gonna need some leaves too, so we need that. Okay, so some wood, and yeah. This might be 100 episode plus series. Yeah. Sorry about that. Alright, so let's just get started. So I'm just gonna grab my wood. I'm gonna jump. It's gonna be too high. Then it's gonna be right here. And then right here. Oh shoot, I messed up. Sorry guys, got itchy nose. Right here. And be right here. Okay, and then pick it up. So at the top it's gonna be leaves. And then oh shoot, sorry about that. It's gonna be like this. It's gotta be like a tiki hut. Like that. Like that. And then I'm just gonna break the blocks that I messed up on. Oh, sorry guys. Let me put my face cam in the right place. I need leaves. Okay. And I was thinking, in the middle, maybe I could have some, sand. Yellow sand. Actually, no. I want some rock with red for it instead. Like this. Oh, shoot. We'll just have a hard rock. I have a hard rock. Hard rock. Hard rock. Alright, just about done with the house. Just gonna need a little bit more dirt. And then I need the ceiling. It's looking pretty good. Boom, boom. And then this is... Alright. So I think we made some good progress in the series so far. You're gonna need some water right here. So the floor's gonna be water. So it's gonna be like a pool. So we're gonna live in a pool. And yeah guys, this I'm gonna about to end this video. And yeah, if you guys really want me to continue the series, you gotta let me know, comments. And yeah, this is my house. And next episode, I'm gonna go mining for some rubies. I'm gonna mine for some stone, strip mine until I get some. You know how it be, that on that grind. And yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one.